primetime news this evening, tense times. Stakeholders on edge as Mandeville heist marks 5th major attack on beryllium this year. Another fare increase soon? Commuters told it will come once certain issues in transport sector are fixed. And family of Trelawney attack living in fear and wants to leave Jamaica.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, the One Great Studio IPO opened to the public today. I'll have the details a little later on.
Thank you, Keys. And Jordan Ford has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, Archie, the Sunshine Girls' success in the World Cup, where they got bronze in Cape Town, South Africa, has seen them being rewarded handsomely, cash totaling millions of dollars to the players and coach have been given to them. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Monday.
Thank you very much, Jordan. And Romaine Robinson is also here to tell us what's coming up in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks so much, Andrea. We have a drier pattern that we are expecting to emerge across the island over the next few days. So we're looking for partly cloudy skies in the afternoon. It's not until about Thursday that we're seeing an increase in showers and thunderstorms across most parishes.
Thank you. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and of course the weather report later on in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what do you make of the number of international artists performing in Jamaica recently?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.